In this video, you'll learn how to copy text on a Google Pixel phone. This process is straightforward and applicable across various apps, allowing you to easily transfer information as needed. Start by opening any application where text is available. This could be Messages, Chrome, or Notes. Once the app is open, locate the specific text you want to copy, tap and hold on that text until selection handles appear, indicating that you can adjust your selection. Next, drag the selection handles to highlight the exact portion of text you wish to copy. It is essential to ensure that only the necessary text is selected. This careful selection prepares the content for the next action, which is copying. After selecting the text, a menu will appear just above the highlighted area. Look for the option labeled Copy within this menu and tap it. This action stores the selected text in your clipboard, allowing you to use it later. Confirm that you tapped the correct option to ensure the text is copied successfully. Now, navigate to the app or input field where you want to paste the copied text. Tap and hold in the area where you wish to insert the text until the paste option appears on the screen. This allows you to access the clipboard content quickly. Select the paste option from the menu that appears. Once you do this, the copied text will be inserted into the input area. Take a moment to review the pasted text for accuracy to ensure it meets your needs. You have now successfully copied, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.